All right, so the next thing we're going to talk about is getting buy-in, because this is probably one of the most critical components of any successful training program. And this is why we align the goals of our training programs. We create with the needs of our managers and the needs of our managers and the needs of our employees. For example, during the creation process of our current university program, we made a point to meet with not just our chief of programs, but also directors and middle managers to understand them and their employees' needs, areas that need the most growth, specific skills that they need to work on for professional development. One of the things that we want to do is we were trying to create a significant amount of support for the program, because with including the managers and directors at this level of the creation process, it ensures that, we're truly considering those needs of the organization. And, we'll be able to share this vision of our program with everyone. It also showed our managers who we are, that we're in contact with the employees every day, that we're considering the needs of their programs, and that we're basically dedicated to creating employees that can be better supporting the team and our clients' needs. Communication is also critical in the buy-in process, because this is, where we schedule this time in our leadership meetings to go ahead and, give out these communications, these updates about the new trainings, whether they be within the university or monthly trainings, or if we have compliance trainings, and just any other necessary updates. In addition to these meetings, we do have regular communication via email that goes out to our managers with the updates and resources that they may need. And in essence, we just use any chance we can to talk about it. Everybody in the company sees me knows I'm going to start talking about university and the area manager training and our monthly trainings, just because I'm so excited about it. So that's a lot of how we're getting the buy-in.